Greeting for the day. Welcome to e-learning course on Cash Application, Oracle. Let's begin learning. This module outlines the procedure to be followed for cash application in Oracle. Log into Bankline using credentials provided. Enter security code from token when prompted. Click on Statement and select the appropriate bank account. Select the date range. Click on Apply Query to download the statement. Save the statement in the respective shared drive. Log into Oracle using credentials provided. Select the appropriate option under Navigator. Enter the applicable bank account number, date, and click on Find. Select the applicable batch and click on Review. To view the line items or statement entries under the batch, click on Lines. Select the receipt entry and click on Available. The below screen will appear. Select Receipt under Open Interface and enter transaction reference to find the cash book entry, and then click on Find and Mark. The appropriate cash book entry will get selected and marked, leaving the amount remaining to 0.00. Click on Reconcile to clear the entry. For matching payment entries, select the unreconciled payment entry to be reconciled and click on Available. The below screen will appear. Select Payment under Open Interface and enter transaction reference to find the cash book entry, and then click on Find and Mark. The appropriate cash book entry will get selected and marked, leaving the amount remaining to 0.00. Click on Reconcile to clear the entry. For cash application, statement entries are also reconciled with journals, depending on the nature or requirement of business. Journals are posted via journal templates. The below steps are to be followed to prepare a journal. Update the relevant accounting date. Update batch description. Update journal name. Update journal description. Update reverse journal, type yes or no as applicable. If yes, update reversal period. Update the below listed codes as applicable. Company. Cost center. Business _type. Account. Product. Distribution. COB. Update the debit and credit amounts, along with line description as applicable. Once prepared the journal, go to Add-ins tab of the template, and select Upload option, under Oracle button, and select Responsibility as GenGL User. After selecting GenGL User, ensure to select the appropriate upload parameters, and click on Upload. Once uploaded, the journal will be available for posting in Oracle. For posting, select Responsibility as GenGL User from Navigator. Under GenGL User, select Post under Function Journal. Enter period as applicable and click on Find. All the unposted journals for the specified will appear in the list. Review the required batch and select the appropriate journal and click on Post.